Hello everybody, today I have a very exciting unboxing for you of the MacBook Classic. Now this is the 12-inch MacBook, of course. Okay, so this ain't mine, this is for my dad. So he actually wanted a new MacBook because he got my old MacBook Air, the MacBook Air 2, and he's decided to replace it. So this is its replacement. Okay, now the classic MacBook is actually no longer made. So this is actually an ex-display one that we got from Harvey Norman. We got it for a really good price too. So we got it at a discounted price. So we only got it for about $1,400 instead of its original price. Okay, so this one here is the space grey one. Okay, and the one that we have here, if you take a look on the back here, this one here is the let's see. This is the 256 gigabyte model. Okay, so we'll open it up. And there we have the MacBook itself. Okay, now because this is an ex-display model, there's no plastic wrapping or anything. All right, so we're gonna have to use a tool to get it out of the box. Okay, and there it is. Okay, there is a few scratches on it. Okay, so this is the MacBook right here. On the side here, we only have one USB-C port, unlike the MacBook Air where we have two. Okay, we have the headphone jack on this side. Okay, so that's the MacBook here. Inside here, we get all our paperwork. Okay, and and of course we get space grey Apple stickers. We get the instructions, this quick start guide, and of course the information on how to set it up. Okay. Okay, so that's all included. All right. Okay, we get a USB-C plug. This one here is a 29 watt plug. Okay, so this is the technically a step down from the MacBook Air one, which uses a 30 watts. So it's 1 watt difference. And of course, we get our USB-C charging cable. So this is how you charge the device. Okay, so this is USB-C, the same as what my MacBook Air uses. Okay, so that's all that's in the box there. Okay, so I'm just gonna put all this over here for now. All right, now I guess we'll open it up. Okay, now it doesn't have the little screen protector in there. It's because like I said, it's an ex-display model. Okay, so this one here being a classic, it doesn't have the touch bar and it doesn't have Touch ID, unlike the Air one. Okay, but we do get the butterfly keyboard and the Force Touch trackpad. This was actually the first MacBook model to get all this feature. So I guess we'll fire it up. Here we go. I think the battery might be flat. Yeah, I think it's got a flat battery. But never mind. I'll charge it up and we'll get it set up. But that is my dad's new MacBook Classic. Okay, so in the 12-inch. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and that'll be it.